morning, everybody, or afternoon. It's afternoon. Man, we've been in bed, been awake since like 8 a.m. We watched April give birth. It was beautiful and disgusting at the same time. What do you need, Val? You're cold. Now we're headed to lunch. We're gonna go to Cracker Barrel with the kids. I look like crap because I didn't do my makeup, unfortunately, but whatever. It is what it is. Corbin's got a soccer game today, and oh, me and Daddy are like Beauty and the Beast? What's that say about you, Chris? Are you the Beast?
I'm the Beast.
Are you the Beast? Ollie, how is it? How are you doing, Oliver? They're looking for, Annabelle's looking for a toy that she cannot find because they probably don't have it anymore. They don't have the soda pop jelly beans anymore.
How long's Ollie's birthday?
It's gonna be a while, about 6 months.
Okay. Can I get something for him?
What are you wanting to get him?
I don't know.
Do you want to buy him something? We are at Lowe's. Yeah, she got a Beanie Boo from Cracker Barrel. We're talking about getting an apple tree, so we gotta go look at our yard.
And then come back.
Plane. Oh my gosh, look at that plane. Where is it? There it is.
A big plane.
That is a big plane. Whole family going to Lowe's looking around. Oh, they have like little barrels. We gotta get like 6 or 7 bags of sand. If they play in the sand and the sandbox needs more sand. Hopefully we can find Annabelle's little pet shop though because she lost it. Oh, Ollie's driving. Now Parker wants to get on.
Alright. $3,000.
We could totally use one of these. This would be so much better. Do you know how fast or long we get done with this? Yeah, oh yeah, it's sold. Okay, let's go.
Places that we got to
The
go
path
get
lights? Yeah. Yeah, where are they?
I know this.
Okay, we're out of Lowe's and Corbin's got to leave in an hour for soccer. I got to figure out dinner. Yeah, well we need to go buy hot dogs though. So, and I wouldn't mind doing hot dogs. Well, we went to GameStop. Let's see what the kids got. These were 4 for $10. This is crazy. They got, what is this? What is this game? Dynasty Warriors 5 Empires, NHL 14, Hitman, and Assassin's Creed. But you don't have Assassin's Creed Revelations? Huh, well that's cool. Well, he's got a few of them. So anyway, we are on our way home, 3:42. They gotta leave in an hour. I have not filmed all day because I've been cleaning my pretty kitchen. And I've been outside for most of the time too. I took 2 hours down the kitchen. And then it's dark outside now. It's super dark right now, believe it or not. You can't even tell. Okay, let's see. Let me get down to normal. I'll show you how dark it is. It's super dark. You can't tell because this camera's awesome. But anyway, that's just, let's turn it down all the way. It's super dark. Anyway. Thank you, Mom. Thank you for what?
Letting me have all the rest of the Reese's in the world.
Where's Oliver? Okay. So they're all playing football right now.
Yeah, we're not really playing football. We're just playing, try and get the ball.
Oh, that's football. Just so you know, that is football. Oh, well, that's nice. We'll have an ER visit here in a little bit.
What?
We'll have a little ER visit here in a little bit.
What?
Going to the ER because Daddy landed on Ian.